I do have insurance. I don't know who told you that. Am I going to stay in Atlanta? I done told y'all the Princess of Atlanta is the Princess of Atlanta. I asked y'all to help me with a ticket when I was in the hospital. You didn't, so I said, fuck it. That was only because I didn't have my money. I couldn't get to my fucking money. But I found a way. Put some respect on my name, bitch. Princess can go over how the fuck ever you please. Put Princess behind it before you say anything about Kylêê. Period. Bad or good, bitch. Put some respect on that shit. Now back to the people that matter. How was everybody's day, you know, as far as like what y'all eat, what y'all gotta do today. Like, did y'all do some interesting things? Like, did y'all go out? Did y'all have fun? What did y'all do? The only thing I don't have is a car. I got somewhere to stay that I pay faithfully. I got money, food, clothes, shoes. The fuck? And I'm still building. Motherfuckers don't get, you know what I'm saying? Like, especially with the situation and shit that I done been through. Let's just keep it all the way real. Motherfuckers have to start over, motherfuckers have to build. And that's exactly what I am doing. Ain't no telling how long it'll take for me to get rich. You know, telling what miracle might drop out of the sky. But at the end of the day, I'm not broke and I can fend for myself.